Day one or another. Ugh. Got soaking wet for nothing. Bro, it's sunny again. What the heck? Barefooted. Stay out, you sun. Yeesh. Needs to stay out. Yeah, then it's gonna rain again. It's taunting us. Rude. Rude rain. The heck are you guys even watching? Oh. Anyways, like and subscribe to whatever the heck is going on with. Well, I'm bleeding, that's nice. Whatever the heck is going on with outside. Here's my bed. Bedroom is a mess. There's my picture. You guys still have to name it and gender it. And you'll get to win to choose from this book from page 1 to 21. And then name your favorite character, favorite song, and a picture of you, and I'll thirst trap that. So yeah. I'm gonna go dry off and have fun listening to music. Bye.